Today is November 25th. I'm back from Wisconsin. I missed the big storm, but this is what I came back to after the cleaning up. This is our front pine tree. Cracked right in half. That was going to be my little gnome garden. I guess not. You can see all the snow is gone from the house and from the garage. There's a little bit of snow left. This tree is a tree that fell off and landed on the roof. No damage. Fell off way up there. Back there's more trees that are down. Parts of trees that are down cracked off. Thank goodness I don't have to do this in snowshoes like Stephen had to. Back by the pole barn was our only structural damage, I should say. And I will show you that as I walk back here. More leaf down. More branches over there. There's a big branch over there. Here's the tree that fell down. And if I stand over here, you can see the hole up there that's in the shed roof. A little bit of damage, not much. Gnarly mess. And I can go back here. It's tough walking back here. And there's our hole. And then, let's see if I can walk over this way. Still tough walking in all this snow. All the gnarly branches that came down. And that's where it cracked up there. Right there. Walk around the pole barn this way. And as Stephen says, our apple tree that has never given us any apples was not harmed at all. But probably still no apples. That's our burn pile. That's the way it's always been. And here we have one of our our grape trellises. And over here we have another grape trellis that totally collapsed with the weight of the snow. And then over here, a couple more branches down over here. And these pieces were my strawberries. I'm sorry, my raspberries. And not much left of them, as you can see. And this area in here, we're loaded with raspberry canes. And as you can see, none left. They've all been snapped off. A few straggles out here by the fence, but all the ones inside. The fence also is all bent due to the weight of the snow. Now there's just one more place. Oh, this is our lilac bushes, which that one's not too bad, but that one is done, snapped off. All of the lilac bushes, my lilac trees look like that. And we also have a couple trees that just uprooted themselves. They were so heavy that they fell over, roots and all. Roots, ground, everything. And that's it for now from our house. A lot of mess to clean up come springtime. And I'm disappointed because I missed all of the snow, and this is what I come home to. So that's it for this storm.